Hi guys, let's see how to extract nth word from a sentence. So let's say there is a column which contains sentences and I want to extract third word from every sentence, or let's say second word from every sentence. Then this is the formula we can use. Now how does this formula work? First of all, we have encapsulated everything inside if error, so that if anything is out of range or something not in the range happens, then it doesn't throw an error, it simply returns an empty string. So we have put the whole formula inside the if error. Okay, now this is the formula which will work. So first of all, what we are doing, we are splitting b1. Okay, so this is b column and the first row. So we are splitting b1 with space. You can see that every word has a space as a separator. So we are splitting with space. Okay, and now first is the number of the rows. Okay, so in the index, this is the only row, so this is the first row. So by default, first will be here, this will be as it is first, and this is the nth word which you want to extract. So if you want to extract third word, type 3. Okay, and that's it. I have just given this formula in the description of this video also. So when you will paste it, hit enter, and you can see that the third word from every sentence has been extracted. Thanks for watching. Please do like.